Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the dark mode feature in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So while some websites might have their own dark or light mode options, I'm going to show you guys how to do a browser-wide setting change here. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the menu icon up at the top right corner of the Firefox web browser. Just go ahead and left click on that and then go down and select settings. On the right side, you want to go underneath language and appearance, and you can select either the automatic mode, which will just follow whatever theme I believe you're using on your Windows computer. So if you currently have light mode, that means Firefox will appear in light mode. If you're in dark mode in Windows, it will appear in dark mode, and that's what the automatic setting is for. And if you want to go back to the light mode or automatic, you just can select one of those options over here as well. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.